Portland's industries are evolving rapidly, and with that comes a growing reliance on managed IT services to stay competitive. From healthcare to education, manufacturing to tourism, businesses face unique challenges that demand smarter, faster, and more secure technology solutions. In fact, over 64% of businesses now use managed IT services to improve efficiency and safeguard their operations. As Chris Butler, Executive VP at IP Services, explains, managed IT services aren't just about fixing tech, it's about empowering businesses to thrive. When systems are optimized, organizations can allocate resources to their core missions, driving real results. Managed IT is transforming healthcare by ensuring HIPAA compliance and powering telehealth platforms. In finance, it protects against fraud, ensures compliance, and keeps services running smoothly during crises. For Portland's tech sector, it drives innovation with scalable cloud solutions and proactive cybersecurity. Manufacturing benefits from predictive maintenance and streamlined workflows, while education relies on these services to power virtual classrooms and secure student data. Even tourism leans on managed IT for seamless online booking and secure payment systems. Every industry is finding unique ways to leverage managed IT for growth, security, and innovation. To dive deeper into how managed IT is shaping these key sectors, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for more business insights.